Dearest brothers and sisters, it is a glorious springtime day here in Berkeley, and to celebrate vivacity and aliveness and streaming, flowing energy, we're going to be making a very special springtime ice cream. Why not? Why not an ice cream? Why not a mango, fig, apricot, peach, almond ice cream? So let us begin, as we've done so very, very many times indeed, by making an almond milk base, and we're going to pour a cup of spring water into our kitchen blender, and then we're going to add chia seeds. Chia seeds have a wonderful thickening quality. Not only are they filled with nutrients, but let's put a couple tablespoons of chia seeds to thicken things up. And now of course our alive organic almond butter. Let's put in a heaping tablespoon. Maybe add a bit more, and we'll blend it up. And as you see, it flashes into almond milk. Let's agree, so much fresher and less expensive than what's been sitting on a store shelf since the dawn of the Cenozoic. Okay, so that's our almond milk. We'll hold it in reserve. And now in a food processor or in a blender, we're going to add some mangoes, alive and organic, but of course. So these are mangoes from Mexico. Okay. And now these magnificent figs have just appeared. We are so blessed here. If only we can give praise and thanks continuously. It is such a blessing to be here in this California. So here are our figs, and let's just give them a slice. Figs. And what about our California apricots that have just appeared on the market? And now, white peaches. White peaches, by the way. Actually, it appears to me to be a yellow peach. All right. So here, look how glorious yellow and red they are on the inside, how vibrantly alive. So our white peaches, And now to this we are going. This is a lemon that I've peeled. I'm going to give it a chop and add lemon, but of course. And now to get things going, we're going to add our almond milk. Okay. And now to this, I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter, made by almonds grown by a California farming family of 5 generations in the Great Central Valley. 5 generations of farming and gardening and growing and being vivacious and creating their families there. When they first arrived here from the old country, the first thing that they did was to buy land, not to grow crops, but just to have land with cows and geese and chickens and so forth, just to provide food for their magnificent, very numerous families. So now we have our apricots, we have our mangoes, figs, apricots, peaches. We've added lemon, and now how about some call of the wild honey? Let's give this a heaping tablespoon. And now our Vermont maple syrup, but of course and now how about a pinch, a little bit of our Living Tree vanilla powder. And now, you've guessed it, to heighten and bring out the flavors, our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. So, let's go ahead and blend all of these together. One more ingredient, frozen bananas, but of course, So here we have it. Our mango, fig, apricot, peach ice cream to celebrate vivacity, aliveness, and streaming flow. Our privilege to share with you. You might want to hit the subscribe button and even give us a like. Your comments, criticisms, and suggestions are treasured by us. Let us go forward. Let us give praise and thanks in this glorious springtime. My privilege to share.